So here in Clovis, California, we just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Got your model number and serial number here, documentation on the tank. You can fill that out and get that out to Bradford White, mail it to them for your registration, get your warranty going. Alternatively, go to bradfordwhite.com, fill out the documentation there, and do it all online and get the warranty going on this. As per contract, down here we replaced the gas supply line with the corrugated stainless steel supply. It's a 1/2 inch OD by 24 inch. We did replace the gas valve. It was existing to the old water heater, so still functioning. We just put it in there just for fun. $10 item, no big deal. If the gas valve fails at any point in the future, plumbers will charge you $150 to $200 to replace that one item. So just a little gift from Clovis Plumbing Services. At the bottom, by contract, we replaced the put a new strap on the bottom third, adjustable strap as per code and contract. Upper third as per code and contract. Up top, we replaced the gate valve. Gate valves, when they leak, begin dripping. They drip down on these new tanks and they follow it down. This is just a shell. It's just a sleeve with about 2 inches of insulation, and the stainless steel is in further. But it goes down and it ends up getting in this cavity down here, and it fills up until it gets into the burner assembly, rusts everything out, and it's all because you had an old gate valve up here. So we got a Watts, not a Watts, it's from Ferguson. It's a ProFlow 3/4 inch full port, quarter turn ball valve, so quarter turn off, quarter turn on, stainless steel ball in there, never fails. Little galvanized nipple, house is iron pipe, so iron pipe nipple to a Falcon stainless steel connector. It's a 3/4 by 18. Down to a coupling and a nipple. We like to put a nipple on there because it seats better on these supply lines than the the heat traps that stick up out of these nipples out of the unit. These right here on the top, they've got about a 1/4 inch of plastic that stick out there. It's the heat trap, and they don't seat real good with these. So over on this side, brand new nipple stepping out of the wall. That one was corroded, so we replaced it. 3/4 by 18 Falcon stainless steel connector down to the existing pump. Homeowner had this installed. We had a little problem down here with leaking. The gasket had been shaved and damaged, so we replaced it on the bottom. It's looking good now, and again, so we got the little coupling and a nipple. This is dry now, so it's working good. We had water coming out of the top portion of this nut up here, and so now that's resolved, looking good. We tested the pump. We ran some water inside first, and then we tested the pump by turning it on. It's working great. Now it's back on timer, so the pump is not running because they don't have it set for this time of the day. Here we've got adjustable 90. It's an offset 90. You can adjust that up here to another adjustable 90, and then existing piping in between. We just cut it down a little bit. All of that up there. Ceiling bucket, dual wall B-vent up to the roof. That's theirs. All the plumber's tape. We added a piece over here just to make a triangle. They had 2 pieces up there. We added 1 more just to help support that pipe. There's nothing holding that pipe. Just kind of sitting up in there. So hopefully the roof is sealed up there, but that's not in our scope of work. So everything's looking good. Outside of that, this installation is done.